In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Tasks queues effectively. Let's dive in, starting with accessing the HubSpot platform. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll find the login button positioned conveniently at the top right corner of the page. A simple click on that will open the door to your workspace. If you've set up your account with Google, you can streamline your login by choosing the Sign in with Google option, selecting the appropriate account, and bypassing the need to input your credentials manually. With that step completed, the next thing you should do is look for the CRM tab within your HubSpot dashboard. By clicking there, you'll be guided into the heart of managing your customer relationships. It's here that the magic begins. Navigating to the task section is straightforward, and once you click on tasks, you'll be privy to a world of organized work processes. Now let's create a task. Hit the Create Task button. This leads you to a setup panel where you'll put in specific details about your new task to keep things on track. Start with adding a task title. This is your headline, your task's identifier. Ideally, it should be clear, concise, and indicative of what needs to be done. Following the title, you will need to designate the task type. Is it a call, an email, or perhaps something else entirely? Proper categorization is key as it further sharpens your focus and organizes your workflow. As you move along, the next is setting the priority level. Here you decide how pressing the task is, whether it's high, medium, or low, helping you differentiate between what's urgent, important, or can wait for a later time. Moving on, assign the task to someone by selecting from your team in the Assigned To field. This ensures accountability and clarifies who is responsible for completing the task. Don't forget the supplementary details. In the Notes section, you can include additional instructions or reminders that are crucial for the task's execution. A little context goes a long way in ensuring alignment and understanding among team members. Finally, review the task details and, once everything looks good, click on the Create button. This simple yet decisive action solidifies the task into your system, slotting it in perfectly with the rest of your projects or workload. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive walkthrough on navigating and utilizing HubSpot Tasks queues. With these steps, creating, managing, and prioritizing tasks becomes a seamless part of your everyday operations. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing with HubSpot.